Hi, I'm Stephanie from Home with Stephanie, and I love my Tuff Shed. I am so excited. This has been a long time in the making, and as you can see, we need a lot of help with our space, and I cannot wait. Installation day was amazing. Everything went so smooth. The trucks rolled up and they offloaded my kit right away. For me to do a shed this size would take weeks, months. The installers were here for about 7 to 8 hours, which to me blows my mind. I had a pretty specific design in mind for the Tuff Shed, and they really helped me through the entire process. I'm really glad that we went with the no floor option. Sounds much better with the concrete floor, so that'll be great for recording. Seeing the high quality material and the installers working on it was a really cool experience. Just the professionalism behind the whole Tuff Shed is really incredible. Not only is it adding that value of having a 16 by 22 foot shed in the backyard, when it does come time to sell, there's just so much extra added value because of our Tuff Shed. Tuff Shed offered a ranch style shed which matches our house. I really like the windows and doors that are on our house, and I really wanted to match that style on the Tuff Shed. And also the colors. I supplied them with the paint and they were able to paint it the same color as the house. And I'm really pleased. I love that it just looks like a mini version of our house. The whole exterior just came together so nice. My favorite things about the building is the entire thing. Walking on the inside, just feeling how grand it was really cool to see that adding more square footage to our house and more value. The quality of the Tuff Shed products has impressed me so much. With everything arriving today and the installers working on it, I know seeing it now in my backyard that I can stand behind the product, and just the whole Tuff Shed experience was so great.